Good afternoon, folks. It's Noah. I wanted to put up a kit that has orange or peach in it because I didn't have any up. And so I put this together and I'm going to show you. Now, um, there are a few kits sitting there waiting to be sold, and they're not going to last forever because I'm going to run out of stuff soon. But I just wanted you to know that I've got this one on the go now. And if you're interested in anything in particular, to let me know before I run out of everything. Okay, we'll start out with this piece of upholstery fabric. It's in a nice, it's kind of a bronzy orange. And then this gorgeous piece. Love that piece. And then I've got this piece. Well, here, why don't I fold these? And that piece. This one. This one. Here we go. And yes, I'm starting to see the end of some of the piles. It's good. And here, this is so pretty. And this one. This one. We have this one. It's got sparkles in it too. And this. Some nice pieces of orange in there as well. This is stunning. This piece of fabric is gorgeous. That side and that side. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Then we have a piece of silk. And then this piece. A piece of gold. These sparkles. This piece of upholstery fabric. This fun piece. The last of this orange or peach ruffle lace. A little peach flower. A gold medallion. This pretty gold and peach piece. This piece. This one with the elephants on it. Oh, this beautiful piece. Last one. Love that. And then I put some gold trim in there. you'd have to pull those things off. And I think, oh, here we are. There's a little pair of peach dangle, or not a pair, but a peach dangle earring. So that's kind of fun too. So that will be, oh goodness, number 59. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.